Hello, today we are going to discuss about very interesting topic that is Suno V3. It will create a music based on the text prompt. Before deep dive into the topic, if you are watching my channel first time, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's discuss about today's topic. Suno AI introduced V3, that is their first AI model capable of producing radio quality music, and this V3 enables users to create a 2-minute songs in a seconds. Using the just we have to give a text prompt. Based on that, it will create a music. That's quite impressive. I will quickly show you the demo. Also, you can also watch, and if you want to try, it is available for free. You just click and sign up with your Gmail account and then try. Let me quickly show you the demo. So here you can see they have given a text prompt. Make a song for a Sunday studies session. So based on the text, the Suno AI V3 created a song. Let me play this. Pay attention to this video. Wow, this is really amazing, right? And I just signed up and I will quickly show you that demo also. So here I just signed up using my Gmail account and then I have given a description that is the text prompt. Make a song for not giving up on anything in the life. So this is the prompt I have given and then just click the create. So here this is the creator song. Let me quickly play this and you also watch how it actually created. This is really impressive. Let me play.
But when you feel like you're sinking in the dark and the weight of the world has left its mark, just remember you're stronger than you think. With a will of fire, you can't be extinct. There will be days when it's hard to find the sun, when it feels like giving up is the only option. But deep within that spark that's bright, hold on to that and fight for what's right. You're unstoppable like a shooting star. You can conquer any hurdle no matter how far. Don't let the doubts and fears weigh you down. Rise up, spread your wings and wear your crown. Oh, yeah.
This is really amazing, right? I really loved it. Based on the given text, it is created as a song, and the lines also very quite amazing. I hope you also enjoyed this video. If you want to try, you just sign up and then try Suno V3 creating music. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.